Hello once more from me, from Hood, and welcome to the second part of the Sarah FTP client for ZX Spectrum preview. Now what you see is a very special server which we are preparing now, and from the server you will be able to download ZX stuff directly to your ZX computer with the Sarah, with the FTP client. So let's have a look just briefly. Well, first we can browse some screens if you like. The transfer is incomplete, of course, because the directory with screens is so big. The free memory for directory is 26 kilobytes now. It will not be bigger. It remains 26 kilobytes. So Aladdin, Almirant, Anteriat. You can just build the screens. Okay, and let's have a look at games. They are here. Like, for example, only several has been sorted out now. Let's start with here. Okay, let's find something. Oh no, not this one. Let's see this one. Batman the movie. And inside there are all files related to this game. Of course not all, they are not TDOS files or SCL files, but maybe they will be planned for future. Okay, for example, I entered the directory now and I want to see how it looks like, the game. Okay, let's see the screen. Oh, is this Batman? I like it. I don't want to download it. Why are these files so long? Let's roll them. It's TZX file. It's poke file. TZX, 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 TZX. Okay, let's download something. This version. I want to read instructions, fine. Okay, 4 files to download. Transfer okay. Thank you, Sarah, goodbye. Let's see what we downloaded. The Batman files. This is the instruction files. How to play the game. Out of memory. Oh, come on. It's too long. Okay. Doesn't matter. So let's download. Oh, it's not working. Why? Oh, come on. It looks like there's some video RAM blocked. Let's see where we downloaded. No, it's MB02. Okay. Oh, this version must be corrupted somehow. Okay, so that's it for the client. Thanks for attention. Keep fingers crossed. Hopefully I'll release it soon. See you. Bye.